Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A57s. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter password and security and go to lock screen password. Confirm with your current password, and as you can see right here we've got three types of passwords: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. Let's start with numeric, and now you can enter 6-digit numeric password, 4 digits or 4 to 16 digits numeric password. Let's select only 4-digit password because they are basically the same and the only difference is the length of the password. Now let's lock it and use the digit password to unlock the phone. Now go to alphanumeric, confirm with your current and set up 4 to 16 letters and digits password. In the end, let's go to pattern, set up your pattern and use it to unlock the phone. Now when it's done, you can go back and enter face unlock. Simply scan your face in this area. And now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's set up fingerprint unlock. Simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now let's use fingerprint to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.